Lights, camera, action. College life is an exciting adventure, but it can also be overwhelming. Let's gear you up for success with these 10 must haves for your first term. First up, the essentials. Your trusty laptop is your digital backpack, handling everything from research to assignments. Don't forget classic tools like notebooks and pens for capturing those brilliant ideas. Textbooks, or their digital counterparts, are your course companions, and depending on your major, a calculator might be your new best friend. Staying organized is key. A planner or calendar will keep you schedule on track. For those unexpected bumps, a first aid kit is a lifesaver. Keep your clothes fresh with laundry essentials and stay hydrated with a reusable water bottle. Comfort and well-being are just as important. Invest in cozy bedding for a good night's sleep. Fuel your brain with healthy snacks. Remember, college is a marathon, not a sprint. There are just a few essentials to get you started. Your specific needs will depend on your major, living situation, and personal style. The most important thing is to create a space that supports your learning and growth. What are your must have college items? Share your tips in the comments below. Let's help each other and make the most of this incredible journey.